How to make DNS record in Cloud DNS. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the Create Zone button located on your dashboard in the section DNS Hosting. In the pop-up window, click on Master Zone, and they advise you to create Master DNS Zone for your new domain with the suggested NS records. This option is Create Zone with NS records, and it is selected by default. It is the easiest way to create a master DNS zone with NS records for all name servers available for you. Now, as you can see, after you have created and configured your master DNS zone and NS records, you need to go to your domain register, the place where you have both your domain and point their name servers. So you can find your available name servers on your dashboard page, DNS hosting section, right next to create zone button. Your account might have access to different set of name servers. Now, as you can see below is just an example of their name servers. Now, step 3 would work if you have delegated the DNS management to Cloud DNS. You are on the right track. So as you can see, this is the final step. Now you need to create an A record for your name, your domain name. The A record points your host name to an IP address. The record A specifies IP address for given host. To add an A record, go to your DNS management page and click on Add a new record. Type as follow, and basically that's all you have to do. So here you're gonna have to simply enter the IP of your domain. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.